Well, hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. My name is Alan. In today's video, I want to show you how you can replace a water shutoff valve on your toilet. I actually have another video that shows you how you could try and fix one. Before you do this, I'm going to leave that in the description of this video. You can check that video out as well. But let's go ahead and get started.
Well, first you want to go ahead and make sure that you turn your water off to your house. Make sure that's all the way off. You don't want any water coming to your house, so you can go ahead and work on this piece. So I went ahead and took this connector piece off that connects to the bottom of the tank right here. When you do that, make sure that you have a cup or even just a rag underneath here because there will be some excess water. Even after you've turned your water off, there's still a little water in here, and so you want to make sure that you have something to catch that water underneath here. So the next thing you're going to do, this is something I've never done before, is I'm going to be using one of these things called a Sharkbite. And so what you need to do is actually remove all of this housing right here. And so I'm going to come right behind here, and I have a saw, and I'm going to cut this off. If you have the little pair of pliers that actually cuts, you can use that as well. But I'm going to try this, cut this off right here, and see if we can make it happen.
When cutting this pipe, make sure you're careful not to break or pull on the rest of the pipe coming from the wall.
Sorry about that. I accidentally hit the camera as soon as I got done with the cut, but it looks pretty clean. One thing you're going to need to do next is take some sandpaper and just rub it on the edge. Make sure you get all those burrs or anything like that off. You don't want anything getting back into the line. It actually could mess it up later, so let's go ahead and clean this up. That looks pretty good. Next step you're going to do is grab your Sharkbite. Again, I'll have this listed in the description below. I've never used one of these, but when I was in the store today grabbing a part for this, I actually talked to a plumber and he recommended using these. And so we're going to try this out to see how it works. So you're just going to take this end and push it on there. It has little teeth kind of in there. You can't quite see them, with little teeth right in there. And this is going to hold onto it and grab onto the side of this little pipe coming out of the wall right here, and you should be good to go. So let's try it out.
Make sure when using a Sharkbite you push it far enough on the pipe. I know from experience that it must go a certain length or it won't be a watertight seal. I'll leave a link in the description for their website which explains this further. There's even a tool that shows you how far it must go on, which I will also leave in the description.
So once you've gotten on here and everything is tight, you can plug it back up to something right here, or if you just want to keep it like this, you can work on the toilet or do whatever else you need to do. You want to make sure that this is closed. You can look on here or even look inside there, and you can make sure that this is closed, and then you can go turn your water back on and see if it works. All right, so water has been turned back on. It is not leaking or running, so you guys should be good to go. Hopefully this video was helpful, and if it was, you can leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section down below. Love to help you out with those. And you can also check out one of these other videos that have popped up here on your end screen, but I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.